Does having a sleek app and a hot coral card actually mean Monzo is a real bank? Or is it just another tech company playing dress-up in the world of finance? It's a fair question, especially with the rise of so many digital-first financial services. But when it comes to Monzo in the UK, the answer is a definitive yes. They are a fully licensed and regulated UK bank. Monzo's journey started back in 2015 as a prepaid card service, but the true game-changer came in April 2017 when they received their full UK banking license. This wasn't just a formality. This license means Monzo Bank Limited is authorized by the Prudential Regulation Authority, or PRA, and regulated by both the PRA and the Financial Conduct Authority, the FCA. Think of it this way. These are the exact same stringent regulatory bodies that govern high street giants like Lloyds, Barclays, and HSBC. Monzo has to meet the same strict capital requirements, consumer protection standards, and operational resilience rules as any other traditional bank operating in the UK. So what does this really mean for you, the customer? It boils down to two key things: legitimacy and protection. First, legitimacy. Having a full license means Monzo can offer all the core banking services you expect: proper current accounts with a sort code and account number, the ability to set up direct debits and standing orders, and offer things like overdrafts and lending products. They are integrated into the UK's financial infrastructure in the same way that traditional banks are. Second, and perhaps most importantly, protection. Because Monzo is a fully licensed UK bank, eligible deposits held in a Monzo account are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or FSCS. This is your safety net. If, in the extremely unlikely event Monzo were to fail, the FSCS guarantees your money up to $/text, pound, $85,000 per person. This is the same level of protection you get at any traditional UK bank. So, while Monzo brought in the digital revolution with its user-friendly app and budgeting tools, it did so by playing by the book. It's a tech company, yes, but underneath the cool interface, it has the solid, regulated foundation of a legitimate, full-service UK bank. You get the best of both worlds, innovation and security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.